Hi, to pair your Marshall Miner 4 with Android phone or Android tablet, as a first step, you will need to take your earbuds and open the case. Make sure that both earbuds are in the charging case, and now find this plug button on the bottom of the device. We will need to hold that button so the indicator on the front will be blinking blue. Let's try this out. Now it's green, we are waiting for the blue. And yep, now it's blinking blue, so we can release the button, but do not close the case. Here we can see this automatic pop-up window that we can connect new device. But if nothing pops up in your case, you will need to go in the phone settings. From here, choose Connections tab, then select Bluetooth and enable it by tapping on the switcher. After that, just simply find your Miner 4 in the list of available devices. Select it, and just in a couple of seconds you'll see this pairing request. You will need to tap on pair, and now it is connected. Here you can see battery percentage, you can see the status connected for calls and audio, and also you can see it in the list of paired devices. But we are not done yet because there is an app for those earbuds. To find it, you'll need to open Play Store. From here, just find this Marshall Bluetooth app and install it. Mine is already downloaded, so let's simply open. And as you can see, we need to click on this white button, Add New Device. And now it is searching for our Miner 4. And yep, it found them. We just need to tap Add. And now it is loading and connecting our earbuds to the phone. And we would need to just enable pairing mode once more. Here we can see some on-screen instructions how to use this app properly with your earbuds, and simply tap Get Started button, and that's it. Now they are connected to the app because we can see its battery percentage. We can change some of the settings as equalizer, touch controls, interaction sounds, autoplay and pause, battery preservation, and check this About Device tab. And also don't forget that here you can update your earbuds. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.